Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to screen record on Windows 11, no software required. Windows 11 comes with a new built-in screen recording tool, which allows you to record your screen without needing any additional software. Let's see how to use it. Type in the search box Snapping Tool and launch the app. Now go to the top bar and click the camera icon to select the screen recording feature. Then click on the new button to open the screen recording overlay. Now use the slider to select the area you want to record with the tool. Then click on the start button to begin the recording session. You can preview the recorded clip in the Snapping Tool app. Save the file to your preferred location. And here it is the output file. That's it, you have successfully recorded your screen on Windows 11 without needing any additional software. This feature only available on Windows 11, and if you don't get this feature, update your Windows 11. This is my current version and the build number of my Windows 11. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.